Hallo, guten Tag. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, German with Tara Bawadi. So, hopefully you have learned the previous pages which we have already covered from Lektion 1. Now we are going ahead and will be learning today Länder und Sprachen. So, what is the meaning of Länder? Before we start, I would like to request you kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can keep on posting such videos. So, let's start. The Länder means countries. Countries. What is the singular form of Länder? That is das Land. Das Land is country. Okay? Und Sprachen. Sprachen is languages. Okay? Die Sprache is a singular form. Die Sprache. Language. Okay? So, let's start. Here are some of the introductions of these people. So, first of all, Olivia Miller, kommt aus den USA. Olivia Miller comes from USA. Sie wohnt in San Francisco. She lives in San Francisco. Sie spricht Englisch und Deutsch. She speaks English and German. Sie lernt Spanish. She is learning Spanish. So, spricht came from, sprechen. Sprechen means to speak. Now next, Gabriel Santos. Gabriel Santos kommt aus Brazilian. Gabriel Santos is from, he is from Brazil. Brazil is called Brazilian. Wohnt in Deutschland. He lives in Deutschland in Cologne. Cologne is called Cologne in English. So, spricht Portugiesisch. He speaks Portuguese. Deutsch und English. German and English. So, this is how we read it. Okay. I have told you the word to word translation. Please listen to me carefully. It will help you a lot. Alicia Conti. Alicia Conti spricht Italienisch, Französisch und Deutsch. Italienisch means Italian. Französisch is French. Deutsch is German. The language which we are learning is Deutsch. Sie kommt aus der Schweiz. She is from Switzerland. So Schweiz is called Switzerland. Und wohnt in Lugano. She is from Switzerland and lives in Lugano. Okay, so next we have some more people. So Boris Walder kommt aus Österreich. Boris Walder comes from Austria. Österreich is called Austria. Wohnt in Salzburg. He lives in Salzburg. Spricht Deutsch und English. He speaks German and English. Lernt Arabisch. He is currently learning Arabic. Arabic is called Arabic. So, lernt came from lernen. Okay. I hope you know that how do we conjugate a verb. We take the stem of the verb, which is lernen, and we write the ending according to the pronoun. Jetzt weiter bitte. Zaki Tanaka wohnt in Berlin. Zaki Tanaka lives in Berlin. Sie kommt aus Japan, not Japan, it's Japan, aus Tokyo. Okay, so from Tokyo. Sie spricht Japanisch. She speaks Japanese. Japanisch is Japanese. Japanese and Deutsch and German. Sie lernt English. She is learning English. Now, Katib Brahim kommt aus Algerian. Algerian is called Algeria. Spricht Arabisch. He speaks Arabic, Französisch, French und lernt Deutsch. He speaks Arabic, French, and learning German. Er wohnt in Paris. She lives in Paris. So now, on the basis of this text, these given text, so we have a question here. You can write lesen Sie. First of all, you read woher kommen die Personen? Where do the persons come from? Wo wohnen sie? Where do they live? Welche Sprachen sprechen und lernen sie? Which languages are they? Do they speak and do they learn? Ergänzen Sie die Tabelle. Ergänzen is to complete. You complete the table. Okay, so here the name of persons, and you have to give the information about them. Kommt aus, Olivia Miller kommt aus den USA. Similarly, Gabriel Santos kommt aus, kommt aus Brasilien. So wir schreiben here, we will write here Brazilian. Okay, similarly, wohnt in, you have to write the place he is living in. Spricht, which languages does he speak? Lernt, which language is he learning? Okay, similarly we have Alicia, Boris, Zaki, Katib. Okay, write about all of them. So next question is ergänzen Sie das Land oder Sprache. You complete the country or language. Okay, so here you have so many languages and countries given. So as per the requirement, you have to use them. So Beispiel, I'll just show you how. Deutschland. Land is Deutschland, Sprache is Deutsch. People speak German there, Deutsch. And where do people speak Polnish? In Poland. Poland spricht man Polnisch. In Österreich, welche Sprache sprechen Sie? Deutsch. Die Türkei, man spricht Türkisch. Similarly, you have to do, other as well. And we have given other countries like Russisch. In Russland spricht man Russisch. Okay, in Frankreich spricht man Französisch. In Japan spricht man Japanisch. Und in Algerien spricht man Arabisch. In Brasilien spricht man Portugiesisch. So listen to the pronunciation carefully. In der USA spricht man Englisch. In Italien spricht man Italienisch. Und in Spanien spricht man Spanish. So please go through the text which we have read today and note down the difficult words. If you have any confusion, let me know. Okay, if you won't tell me, how would I help you? So yeah. So you can put questions. Sprechen Sie zu zweit. You work in a pair of two. You speak in a pair of two. Woher kommen Sie? Where do you come? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Welche Sprachen lernen Sie? So there are 3 questions. One is woher kommen Sie? Second one, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? 3, welche Sprachen lernen Sie? So zum Beispiel, welche Sprachen sprichst du? Ich spreche Englisch und Hindi. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus India. So similarly, you can, speak in a pair of 2. You can also ask questions to someone and that person will reply to your question. Now, we will not do each and every exercise because it takes time. So we will learn the vocabulary. So, Name is der Name, which is name. Land is country, as I told you. Start is die Stadt. You will write die article. Here you will write das article. So die Stadt is city. Sprachen is die Sprachen. Since this is plural, so languages. And in gut gesagt, woher kommst du? Aus Spanien, aus Mexico, aber, but there is an exception. There are some of the countries with which we use the in English. Okay, in German it will be either der, die oder das. Right? So aus, with aus actually takes dative case, right? So we will write accordingly. So die Schweiz is actually the main article die, but since we are using aus, so it will be der. Okay, der is the dative article of family. So Austria, Schweiz, Austria, Türkei, Austria, Ukraine, Austin, US. Okay, so this is how we do it. Alright, so before we go ahead with the Übungsbuch of Lektion 1, you must go through this Kurz und Klar section. Okay, and make sure that we have covered all the grammatic topics. Okay, if you still have any confusion, let me know. Okay, in the next lecture, in the next video, we will learn Übungsbuch of Lektion 1 von Netzwerk neu A1. Okay, so hopefully you liked my video. If yes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Auf Wiedersehen.